We're going to solve this equation, so we definitely want to use our order of operations in reverse. I make a little list here for myself just to remind myself of what steps I'm doing when. As I want to get this x by itself, I'm going to look at this side of the equation and decide if there's anything that needs to be either added or subtracted. I see this minus 1 here, so I'll add that to both sides, taking care of that little guy. That means the left side is left with a negative 2x to the 4/3 power, and the right side is these combine to make negative 162. I'm going to move up one rung and look to see if there's anything that needs to be multiplied or divided. That's where this negative 2 comes in. That's going to have to go next in that order. Otherwise I'm doing it wrong. These will cancel out. I'll have x to the 4/3 power equals whatever this is, and if I divide negative 162 by negative 2, I'll get a positive 81. Now comes the time to get rid of our exponent. If I want to get rid of a fractional exponent, I can use a reciprocal power. So this is 4/3. The reciprocal is 3/4 on both sides as a power. Because in the original problem that numerator is even, I also want to make sure to include a plus or minus in my answer. So on the left side, the 4/3 and the 3/4 will multiply to make 1, effectively canceling out that power. And the right side becomes plus or minus whatever number I can think of that. Well, I'm going to find the number first that multiplies by itself this many times to make 81. That number is 3. I'm going to take that 3 to the 3rd power. So it's 27. So my final answer is plus or minus 27. As a final check, if I want to, I can take a calculator out and take negative 2, 27 to the 4/3 minus 1. It should give me negative 163. If it doesn't, I throw that answer away. Then I can take negative 2 parentheses negative 27 to the 4/3 power minus 1. And as long as I put it in correctly with the parentheses and all that kind of stuff, if it gets me negative 163, I keep it. Otherwise, I throw it away. I can tell you that if you put both of these in your calculator, they will both equal negative 163. So they're both correct. Good luck.